The 2023 Toyota C-HR Première Edition Hybrid 200 represents a significant step in Toyota's commitment to hybrid technology, especially in the European market. This model stands out with its unique Bitone Plus color scheme, featuring a striking sulfur exterior that highlights its dynamic design. Under the hood, the Hybrid 200 powertrain is both powerful and efficient. It combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver impressive performance. The total system output stands at around 184 horsepower, providing a responsive and engaging driving experience while maintaining fuel efficiency and low emissions. This blend of power and eco-friendliness is particularly appealing in the European market, where there is a strong emphasis on reducing carbon footprints. Toyota's C-HR has been a popular choice in the compact SUV segment, known for its distinctive styling and efficient performance. The 2023 Premiere Edition takes this a step further with several key enhancements. The design of the C-HR Premiere Edition maintains the model's futuristic aesthetic. The Sulfur Bitone Plus color scheme adds a new dimension to its visual appeal, offering a bold and sophisticated look complemented by a contrasting roof for a sporty two-tone effect. Inside, the vehicle boasts a luxurious and technologically advanced interior, featuring high-quality materials and a layout designed for comfort and functionality. The state-of-the-art infotainment system offers seamless connectivity and a range of features that enhance the driving experience. Safety is paramount in the 2023 Toyota C-HR. It comes equipped with Toyota's latest safety technologies, including advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring the protection of occupants and contributing to a more relaxed driving experience. In summary, the 2023 Toyota C-HR Premiere Edition Hybrid 200, with its striking Sulfur Bitone Plus color scheme, advanced hybrid technology delivering around 184 horsepower, and a suite of high-end features, continues the model's success in the European market. It appeals to those seeking style, efficiency, and environmental responsibility in a compact SUV.